Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Is your iPad stuck on the recovery screen like mine with no response no matter what you do? If you're like me, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to easily fix this problem. Let's get started. Method 1, force restart iPad. If you don't want to go through the hassle of using a computer, you can first try manually force restarting the iPad. First, quickly press the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and finally hold down the side button until the Apple logo appears. However, if this method does not work, you should consider using a computer to resolve the issue. Method 2, fix iPad using iTunes. Generally, if your iPad is stuck on the recovery screen, you can connect it to a computer and open iTunes. At this time, it will show that your iPad needs to be updated or restored. You can choose to restore and continue, then wait for the iPad to download the firmware and restore. However, please note that this will reset your iPad. If you do not want to lose data, I recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair, which is a more efficient, safe, and data-preserving method. Method 3, fix iPad with UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair tool allows you to exit the recovery screen with just one click, without any firmware. It can also fix over 150 iOS system issues without losing data. The download link is provided in the description. To repair your iPad, first connect it to your computer. Launch UltFone, then click Exit Recovery Mode at the bottom left of the interface. Yes, with just one click, you can quickly exit the recovery screen on your iPad. The operation is very simple, efficient, and safe. Method 4, repair iOS system. If you are still encountering other issues, you can also consider using UltFone's system repair feature, which will not cause any data loss. Return to UltFone, click the green Starts button, select Standard Mode, and then click the green button to continue. UltFone will fetch the latest firmware for your iPad, and you can choose a location to save the firmware. Once confirmed, click Download to proceed. After the download is complete, click the Start Standard Repair button. The iPad repair process usually takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient and keep the iPad connected. When you see Standard Repair completed, it means your iPad has been successfully repaired. This is today's tutorial on how to fix an iPad stuck on the recovery screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and bookmark it. I would be very grateful if you could subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.